Legal and General Disability Insurance UK app. The pros, the cons. The Legal and General Disability Insurance UK app is designed to give you complete control over your disability coverage right from your smartphone. Most people think it's just for checking policy details, but the surprising truth is that it also lets you submit claims, track progress, and manage payments efficiently. One of the biggest advantages is claims handling. Filing a disability claim can be stressful, but the app streamlines the process. You can upload supporting documents, check your claim status, and receive push notifications at every step. Premium tracking is another strength, with clear reminders and a full history of payments, helping you stay organized and avoid late fees. Accessibility is also a highlight. The app provides instant access to your policy details, including coverage limits, benefits, and contract updates. You can update personal information or make minor changes without contacting customer service, which saves time and reduces hassle. On the downside, offline functionality is limited, meaning most features require an internet connection. Some users report slower performance when uploading large documents or reviewing older claims. Additionally, the app does offer advanced planning tools like income replacement calculators or long-term benefit projections, which could be useful for more detailed financial planning. In conclusion, the Legal and General Disability Insurance UK app is a reliable and user-friendly tool for managing disability coverage. Its strengths lie in claims submission, premium tracking, and easy access to policy information. While it may lack advanced planning features, it provides all the essential tools to confidently manage your disability insurance from anywhere. If convenience and efficiency are important to you, this app is worth exploring.